Hey, hello. Hey, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and give you guys an update about some things that are going on. And if I can keep my hand out of the camera view. Did flea market today and came in, was looking through, and I had some orders, looking through my Temu orders. I still have orders that are coming directly from Temu. So I was looking through those and they're running late. Normally, I can get the $5 fee for them not delivering them on time. I noticed that a day after they were already late. They hadn't showed up in time. I went in there, and normally I can go in and say, "Hey, where's my order?" And then before the AI can answer me, I'm getting a notification that I've been given $5 credit. It didn't do it this time. And I will try to pop up here some of the conversation. Let me see if I can pull it up. If I can pull up the conversation, then I will. Because I'm in the middle of exporting a video right now to my YouTube studio. So what happened was I asked for the $5 compensation for it being late, and they didn't say no. They didn't come out and say no. What they said was, we noticed that your package wasn't delivered by the estimated delivery date, and we sincerely apologize for this delay. Regarding the compensation for late delivery you mentioned, we regret that we are unable to fulfill your request as it did not pass our system verification. What does that mean? Our late delivery compensation policy is based on specific criteria and conditions, and if these conditions are not met, the system cannot process the compensation. Okay. And it was for every order that I had that was late. They gave me the same answer. I told them I was not happy with that. What does that mean? Is this going to be for everybody? I was asking questions and I was not getting answers. I apologize for the negative impression. Blah, blah, blah. We hope it doesn't impact your loyalty to us. And so they created a ticket. And they created a ticket and escalated it. But I honestly do not think that it's going to come through. So if you still have orders that you're waiting on from Temu and they run late, don't be surprised if they refuse to give you the $5 compensation for it being late. So just keep that in mind. This is another unfolding event. I've not received any price adjustments since before the tariffs went into place. I've not received any at all. I've tried, and everyone says that you can't get one for this. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know what to think. And local warehouse, the prices have gone up more. So I don't know how long this Temu thing's going to last. I don't know. We'll see. I still have lots of it back here. See that? That's a pile. So I will be doing those. So we've got that. I will be doing those. I have a video that I'm going to put out today. So be looking for that. I will see you guys later on today. Bye.